Troubleshooting. Help! My oven won't turn on. My electric built-in underbench or wall oven won't turn on. What should I do? The first thing you need to check is the override switch for the oven is on. These are usually near the oven, on the wall, or in an adjacent nearby cupboard. This switch looks like a power point or light switch and is sometimes in the middle of a double power point. The second step is to check the fuse in the meter box to see if the RCD has tripped or has been turned off. If the RCD keeps tripping, then you will need to contact your Empire property manager for assistance. The third step is to set the time and turn the timer on when turning on the oven. Many new ovens with a digital clock will not turn on unless the time has been set and/or the timer is on at the same time. This can reset, turn off if the power goes off. If you have tried the above steps and your oven is still not working, you can consult the manual book provided by the property or our online tenant portal on the Empire website, or contact your property manager for further assistance. We hope this troubleshooting video by Empire Estate Agents has been of assistance.